A lot of kids do have a passion for baking, and that's why they're in culinary to begin with. They've been working on some different recipes, some frostings, taste testing. And the kids are really excited. They're really nervous too. They want to make sure everything was perfect. They work really hard. They take this very seriously, but they're excited.
I hope they at least recognize the concept of what I was trying to present. You know, everybody they do have some serious competition over there. I like how food brings people together. It doesn't matter where you are, where you come from, or what you have to bring. Just being able to socialize and come together and be mutual at one place, at least for that moment.
To have kids be given the opportunity to do something like this and really learn from someone that has a passion for food, because all of our culinary teachers love what they're doing, that it just kind of embeds in them the love of creativity in the kitchen and confidence. You get to see what goes on TV and then apply it to their real life and see, hey, this really can be done and I can do it. And then coming in here and seeing the setup is just like the icing on the cake or the cupcake.